A portable battery-powered air compressor may not initially strike you as an essential car accessory until you find yourself facing a slow tyre leak. With a vast array of options available on the market, ranging in size and price, one company is stepping up to deliver a powerful alternative that outshines the competition. This is the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 24 Pro Portable Tyre Inflator. This air compressor boasts an impressive maximum flow rate of 58 litres per minute, allowing you to rapidly inflate larger tyres with ease. Designed for efficiency, it ensures you can add air volume quickly, making it perfect for SUVs, trucks, and other vehicles with bigger tyres. Beyond its impressive inflating capabilities, the MegaFlow 24 Pro is equipped with a versatile LED light and even doubles as a smartphone charger thanks to its large capacity battery, allowing you to stay connected even during power outages or when you're stranded while traveling. All these practical functions set up this device to be an essential companion for everyone's car, or is it? So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Unboxing the 24 Pro Portable Tyre Inflator is a rather nice experience that sets the tone for its premium quality right from the start. You get the pump, a sturdy air hose, a DC charger for your car, and a USB-C connector for easy wall charging. There's even a pin for inflating sports balls, a spare fuse, and a Presta valve adapter for bike tyres. So every ground is covered here. Everything comes in this nice durable carrying case, and this will certainly be where it spends most of its time, so it's a nice added accessory to keep the unit safe. Weighing in at just under 5 pounds and measuring just over 4 inches wide and deep and 9.3 inches tall, the MegaFlow 24 Pro may be large, but it feels solid and robust in your hands. While the pump is larger than the mini inflators, it's still compact enough to fit comfortably in the cargo area of an SUV or even under a rear seat. One interesting feature is its semi-transparent plastic casing, which allows you to see the inner workings. It's not just functional, but it looks pretty cool too. Not sure why they opted for this look, but it works. The buttons on the device have a premium feel, providing a satisfying tactile response that enhances the overall user experience. You won't find any cheap-feeling switches here. They feel rather well-engineered and responsive. The hose on the 24 Pro is designed with insulating sleeves at both ends, enhancing safety during operation. These sleeves help prevent accidental burns or injuries, ensuring you can handle the pump confidently. The manual advises against touching the uninsulated metal portions of the hose for a few minutes after use, and for good reason. This precaution is important because those metal parts can become quite hot during inflation. You do not have to worry about overheating, as the 24 Pro is equipped with an overheating protection feature that adds an extra layer of safety during use. If the device begins to overheat, it automatically shuts off and displays a flashing HI indicator to alert you to the issue, so that is reassuring. I couldn't be happier with the display on the unit. It's impressively clear even in bright sunlight. The layout is user-friendly and features 5 main areas of information that make it easy to monitor and adjust settings. At the top right, you can quickly check the battery status, so you'll always know how much power you have left for your inflation tasks. Just below that are the mode options, allowing you to select the appropriate setting for your vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle, or sports ball with ease. The real-time pressure monitoring is another standout feature, providing instant feedback on your tyre pressure as you begin inflating. Additionally, the preset pressure setting lets you dial in your desired pressure quickly, ensuring accuracy for each inflation. Lastly, the pressure unit display is versatile, allowing you to choose between PSI, BIR, KPA, and kg, making it adaptable to various preferences and regional standards. It is actually a rather nice UI. I have to admit, I was skeptical about whether the 24 Pro would deliver on its speed claims, but it definitely does. The compressor utilizes a 2-cylinder design, which allows it to deliver more power and air than many other inflators on the market. This design not only enhances efficiency, but also contributes to its impressive performance during inflation. I put the 24 Pro to the test on both of my cars, where the tyres need to be inflated to 32 psi. I was curious to see how well it would perform at that higher pressure. Connecting it to the tyres was a breeze, and I was pleasantly surprised to find that it could inflate the tyre from 10 to 32 psi at a rate comparable to some other 12-volt inflators I've used in the past. While it would be great to have an exact percentage displayed for the remaining battery life, the ability to use the 12-volt plug for charging makes it less of a concern. Overall, I was impressed with the MegaFlow's performance at higher pressures, solidifying its place as a reliable option for both regular use and emergencies. That said, the 24 Pro might struggle to inflate all 4 tyres from completely deflated if you've aired down for off-roading, especially when relying solely on battery power. While it's incredibly efficient for quick top-ups and regular use, it doesn't quite match the speed of a full-sized air compressor. However, it shines as a practical solution for emergencies and home use, which is exactly what the intention is here. To be fair, throughout all these tests, the battery held strong, never dropping below 20%, and I did inflate 4 partially deflated tyres. I was thoroughly impressed with the performance and ease of use of this portable tyre inflator. The 24 Pro is just much quieter than most options on the market at just 80 decibels. This means you can inflate your tyres without too much of an unbearable loud noise. But that doesn't mean it's quiet. Listen to this. As mentioned, the MegaFlow 24 Pro isn't just a tyre inflator, it also doubles as a powerful power bank, adding to its versatility. With its substantial 12,000 mAh battery capacity, you can use it to charge your devices on the go, making it an excellent companion for road trips or outdoor adventures. This feature is especially handy during emergencies or power outages when you need to keep your devices powered up. This just adds to its multifunctional abilities that combine the convenience of a tyre inflator with the practicality of a portable charger. Now, all in all, the 24 is certainly an ideal choice for anyone who values convenience, efficiency, and versatility in their automotive tools. Whether you're a frequent road tripper, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for emergencies, this inflator offers a reliable solution for maintaining tyre pressure and charging your devices on the go. Considering its performance and the range of features it offers, it really is worth every penny. Certainly a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their roadside preparedness. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.